right, y'all. So today is the day. We are headed to get on Carnival Elation out of Jacksonville, Florida. So let's take you on the morning that we got there. Is everybody ready to go? Say yeah! You ready, Maddie? We're gonna be leaving soon. Everybody say hey for you too. Hey. Say hey for you too. All right, so we pulling up to port, about to park, about to go through this lengthy process of checking in. But once we get in, it's all good. So at this point, I have checked in. We are walking up to board the ship. That was a long walk, y'all. Honestly, I got tired. But here we are inside the ship. This is the atrium. This is kind of like the lobby of the ship where people come in, gather. Beautiful. Looks nice. Walking on Lido deck. It was good. And the first thing I did was get in the line for Guy's Burgers. How many of y'all do that? Because when I get in there, that's the first place I hit. Burgers off the chain. So after that, our rooms are ready. So welcome to my home for the next 4 days. Small, but it serves its purpose. Beds over there, daughter over there chilling. But we are pulled out now. And we are about to get this thing started. So bye-bye Jacksonville. Hello Bahamas for the next few days. So I'm excited. So let's see what we are about to get into.
Mark Anthony. You remember Mark Anthony? That was going on. The one on that one was
Alright, so at this point we are pulling into Freeport, one of the Bahamian islands of the Bahamas. So we get off and we are in the little area where you have all of the souvenir shops and all. So we're about to explore this island and see what Freeport has to offer. So let's get into it. Alright, so after a day of exploring off the ship, we are back on celebrating the 4th of July. They kind of had a balloon drop schedule, but we had some technical difficulties. So let's look at what it looked like, because it was a mess. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really? I got up for this. We are getting ready to go to dinner. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brittany. Happy birthday to you.
blow it out.
So after dinner, we went down to the lobby of the ship and we had fun with the red, white, and blue party that they were throwing. There were songs to sing along, people having fun. So I'm going to actually let you all hear a little bit of what we were doing. Alright, so day 2, we arrived in Nassau, Bahamas. I really like this port. It was very lively. So, this is me walking through. We really had a great time. So, let's check it out.
Hello, people.
Miles, you from Atlanta, right? Atlanta people talk. That's how they do it. You got their lingo.
We are in the Bahamas today. It's so pretty. Bahama Mama.
Go this way. Go that way.
So today is the last day of our cruise. And we're just enjoying the last day.
Bye, y'all. There you go,
Thank you. So when I met the president.
So guys, this is our final night. I had to capture this beautiful sunset. I love cruises. This is my third one. So if you have not gone on one, please try it out. You won't regret it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye.